Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have an OC&T grain hopper train heading south. Check it out. Roll it. Comes a I didn't even ask Jack earlier if there's gonna be an OC&T run or not. I forgot. Huh? Here comes the brick hopper at the end, as soon as that other one gets over there. Huh? As possibly maybe Chris might get that light power again. Like it happened the other day. As I said here, I didn't say the 10, that cater hopper was there. We picked up on Friday, and now it's empty right now. Like I said, it took all weekend to get it emptied out, and it did. Well, I was hoping for that brick hopper to go to OC&T, but it's gonna have to wait for another month in order to do it, though, huh? As soon as there's a stoppage here, we'll be getting off and we'll get back on with the next grain hopper. No, probably light power. With the next train, that'll be light power, it is. There it goes, huh? Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with this light power train heading north. Talk to you later.